The third, fourth time he's circled overhead tonight. He's blacked out except for a red light up there on his plane. I don't know what that means, but sure is strange.